excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you a website that you can use to make at least $30 in an hour. This website is going to give you multiple streams of income. So stay with me. But before I give you the details, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money from the comfort of their homes and using the power of the internet. If it is your desire to learn how you can leverage the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Without wasting your time, my friend, let me just take you straight to the website I'm talking about. The website we are talking about, my friend, is called paydera.com. It's a secure website with a padlock on the corner. You can click the padlock right there to find out more about this website, okay? Right, so it says, turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one solution provided by Paydera to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country restrictions or redirections. This is a global opportunity. You can do this from any part of the world. Instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users accepted. You can click, I want to create an account, right? And you can also check the service. Before we click these buttons, let me give you an overview of the site. Why we are the best. They are declaring. We offer unlimited tasks. We are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day. Makes no limit to what you can make per day. We are paying you to invite your friends to join in, and you make money from your social circle. Reach the minimum payout threshold and request your money instantly, 24/7. You invite your friends and you start to make good revenue. You write articles and post about us and get paid for it. This website offers you multiple streams of income. All of your earnings are available in one place. Of over 600,000 members using this site. And we've got 5.59 million tasks completed. Then we've got over 1 million payments already made to members. Paydera is the one and only website that provides multiple streams of income in one single platform. Means that you'll be able to choose what you do with the existing of many options. Complete tasks, complete surveys, unlimited quizzes, invite your friends, right? And those are the multiple streams of income that you can use on this platform, right? So now we want to check if there's anyone who is making money with this website, all right? Payment proofs and reviews. Are you hesitating to join Paydera? Check this payment proof from our members, right? So this is an amazing site. I got $20 from this site. Thank you, Paydera. I love it. Keep it up, right? So you find luck more. Your payment of $20 has been completed, right? And this one, yes, from India. I already earned $50 from Paydera, all right? And so excited to share my own experiences. $50 payment proof is right here through PayPal, right? That's a PayPal receipt right there. I submit my request for cash out on the 31st of March, and on the 2nd of April, it was already in my PayPal account. And then this one is from India. I've earned $50, my second payment from Paydera. And that's a PayPal payment, $50. And this one is from Uruguay. It's in another language, it's $30. Then this one is from Saudi Arabia, okay? And this one from Brazil, right? 174 Brazilian dollar. From Venezuela, Morocco, We've got so many, and this one, even during this time, this pressing time, my friend, you see that people are using this site, $30. I really appreciate their willingness to pay their users before running out of their stuff due to COVID-19. So people are making money right now during this lockdown, okay? Right, my friend, this list is going on and on and on. You can jump on this site and start to make some side income for yourself. These are the surveys that you'll be doing, my friend, right? That one is paying 40 cents. Less than 10 minutes you are done and you've collected 40 cents. You do another one, 40 cents. You do another one, 50 cents. Do another one, 35 cents. Do another one, 20 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, right? By the end of an hour or two, my friend, you would have collected some good side income that you can buy a loaf of bread, you can buy some shoes, some trainers for yourself. If you really work hard and give time to this website, you can make some good amount of money. And by the end of the day, by the end of the week, by the end of the month, you would made a good side income. All right. So there is endless surveys that you can do on there. It's not only surveys. You can upload some videos, as you have heard. This site will give you multiple streams of income. Yes, we have found some payment proofs from within the website itself, but we want to go to an external review site and find out what people are saying on this independent review site. And the best site one can go for reviews is called AutoPilot. And this is AutoPilot, my friend, right? And we've got 142 people who left their reviews and they're saying excellent. 80% of 142 people are saying excellent. 16% are saying great. So we've got 96% saying great to excellent. So this site, my friend, is a fantastic site. If you give it time, you reap the rewards. Okay, so let's read some of the things which are going on in the reviews there. Better site for earning and convert time into money, right? And that one, I tried to find a very good site, but this is a very excellent site to earn money. And this one, Pedera is the place to go if you are looking for a reliable and professional agent for making money online. So my friend, this is the site that you can use to make at least $30 in an hour from the comfort of your home. And it's good that you can drop 150 there, 50 cents right there, 40 cents right there. As time goes on, you find that every penny, every cent will count. And I remember back in the day when I was working and I was being paid in pence because I'm in the UK, right? So I'll be dropping something like 49p every time. By the end of the day, my money would be about 147 pounds by the end of the day, but being paid in pennies, right? 49p, 50p, all right, for a task. Okay, right. So you see that don't look down on those 40p's and 50p's and 20p's, right? On those surveys. With time, it will add up and then it will give you some smiles on your face, okay? Right, but the only downside about this is that this is what is called active income. To get it, you are actively working to get the 50p, the 40p, the 20p. You are actively working to do the surveys, to upload the videos, and to do the tasks on this website, right? So the minute you stop doing the surveys and uploading any videos, right, then that's when your money also drops to zero. But my friend, let me just give you a cool announcement right now. You see that the internet has leveled the ground for everyone. It is possible to make money on autopilot. With the correct knowledge, with the correct link, with the correct mentor, with the correct blueprint, you can make money on autopilot. Right, I've got a link in the description below which says my #1 recommendation to make money online on autopilot. Click that link and you'll be taken to an advisor, a mentor, who can instruct you and teach you how to build your own business on autopilot. That the business, once your business is running, it goes to work for you 24/7, whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your wife, with your husband, with your children, whilst you are doing the more important things of life, whilst you are traveling to the remote places, the resort places that you desired to visit from a long time ago. If you have found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. See you later.